In this video, I'm going to show you how to close half position in MT4. Now to do this, first you want to go and open this trade panel at the bottom. So to do this, you want to go to View and then Terminal or press Ctrl+T, and you want to go to the trade panel down here at the bottom left, the first tab. In here, you want to find the position you want to close half of. So I have this one over here, which size is 5. You can double click anywhere on it, and then from here you want to change the type to Instant Execution. Then you want to go and just basically switch the volume to half of your original lot size. So in my case, the original lot size is 5. If you want to close half position, you want to do it 2.5, okay? So for example, if you had like 10, half would be 5. If you had 1, half would be 0.5, etc. You get the point. Whenever you do this, just click on close over here, this yellow button, and as you can see, I have closed half position in MT4, only 2.5 are left. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.